and Friends, Episode 50, A Windy Day. The next day was windy. The wind was strong.
Yay!
Said Pig.
I will fly my kite today.
Pig ran with the kite. The kite went up, up, up. The kite flew in the sky. Pig pulled the string. The kite turned. Pig pulled the string again. The kite did a big loop.
This is so much fun,
said Pig.
I will fly my kite all day. Wow,
said Bat.
Look out for the tree,
said Cow. Pig pulled the string again. The kite did another loop.
You're very good at that,
said Cat.
Thank you,
said Pig. He pulled the string again. The kite swooped up. The kite swooped down. The kite crashed into the tree.
Little Fox.